Hey ladies, welcome to the Noel Effect. Today I'm excited to show you how to do your own clipping. Yes, I know we're quarantining and chilling, but that doesn't mean let yourself go. This is the time. If you don't know how to pamper yourself, this is the time to learn. And guess what? Your girl is here. If you all have any special requests or anything for videos, please let me know it down in the comments. I am so excited to help you all. I am so excited to be making these videos. So if you have any ideas or anything that you would like for me to do, just let me know. We're going to be using these Selfit clip-ins by Janet. These clip-ins I've never used before, but let's try them out. So I got me a bundle of 24-inch. I just got one bundle, so let's see if this works out. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and measure out my first clip-in. So let's do that. So my first clip-in is about this long. So this is what it looks like out of the package. Take your clip-in. The clip-in has these little clamps sticking on the side. So first what you want to do is you want to slide up like so. And once you slide them up like this, you want to make sure that the combs, these combs are facing you, and the opposite side is facing the wells. So you see I have a little tail hanging off, just a little bit of tail of the web hanging off. I fold it over and I hold it like so. Then I take this tab and I twist it over. And it clamps on it. I'm going to do the other side. Fold it over, twist it down. And ladies, you'll have clip-ins if you don't do them on the opposite side like me. But thank God this is so easy. It's going to take no time for me to take apart. So let's go ahead and do it again since I messed up. Super easy, super easy. Yes! Okay, let's go ahead and do the rest of it. So let's go ahead and place our clip-ins. So this is about where my hair stops. Without the clip-ins, I want my hair to be longer. So the bundles I decided to use are actually 24 inches. So we're gonna go with our shortest piece, and we're gonna open the combs up. Super easy. Super easy. I wasn't able to make as many clip-ins as I wanted, as you can tell, but I'm pleased. I'm pleased because it's about to be summertime. I don't want that much hair anyway, but this is how it looks now. Got them inches. I got some extra inches. Where clip-ins where, baby. These are coming out the scalp. Literally. No, I really do like them. Let me know what you all think. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time.